Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Yammer for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 3, posting a photo as an update. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work, school, or business. So we're gonna start this tutorial. Let's now go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on all applications, go to all apps, go to the bottom of the screen, explore all your applications. Now let's go to Yammer. Let's just wait for that to load. And so in the previous tutorial, I did show you how to share your thoughts, ideas, or updates by posting a status update within this box. So you may be wondering, where is that status update? If we were to go to all company within my communities, now we can see that the status update where I said Computer Science Videos is the best is located here. If we go back to home feed, share thoughts and ideas, we can post within the home feed, or we can go to my communities and go to all company and start posting from here. So if we share thoughts and ideas, if we now browse this device to select a photo which we wish to upload, if I go to documents, scroll all the way to the bottom, click on my YouTube channel, locate the YouTube icon for the brand and the business for Computer Science Videos and upload this. That is now uploaded. If we now hashtag Computer Science Videos, we can choose to add people if we wish to. Let's just add my main account, and we can add myself, which is the admin, as part of this tutorial. Let's now click on post. This will now be posted to our feed within all company under my communities. And so that's how you post a photo to Yammer within your account in your company. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.